Hey, if Raycast keeps crashing on your Mac, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when you rely on it daily. But don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, restart Raycast. It might be stuck in a bad state, so force quit it and launch it again. If it keeps crashing, yeah, restart your Mac. This clears temporary system issues that can cause crashes. Next, make sure Raycast is updated. Outdated versions can crash due to bugs or compatibility problems. Sometimes extensions can cause crashes. Try disabling recently added extensions and see if the issue stops. Also, check system permissions. Raycast needs proper access to run smoothly, so make sure everything is enabled. If it's still crashing, just reinstall Raycast. This fixes corrupted files or broken settings. Finally, make sure your macOS is updated. Yeah, system updates can fix compatibility issues with apps. And yeah, that's it. One of these steps should stop Raycast from crashing and get it running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.